Hey there, beauty lovers. Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to space for all things beauty and skincare. Today, we're talking about something that can truly elevate your brow game, the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. Now, I know brows are everything for a lot of us, and finding that perfect pencil is no easy feat, so let's see if this one can do justice to your arches. The e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil comes in a dual-ended design, which is always a win for convenience. On one side, you've got a super fine, precision tip for creating those delicate strokes that mimic the natural hair growth pattern. On the other, there's a spoolie brush to comb and shape your brows. It's a two-in-one tool that makes getting your brows on point effortless. The color we're reviewing is neutral brown, which is designed to suit a variety of skin tones. It's not too warm or too cool, just a true neutral that gives you that natural, defined brow without looking too harsh. Whether you're filling in sparse areas or going all out for bold definition, this pencil promises to do it all. But let's dive into how this pencil really holds up in real-world use. For me, application was smooth and easy, no tugging or patchy spots, which is always a big plus. The color applied evenly and the precision tip made it easy to create those fine lines that really shape your brows without looking overdone. It's definitely buildable too, so whether you want a subtle definition or something a little more dramatic, you're in control. Now here's where things get interesting. The e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil is advertised as budge-proof, and I can confirm that it lives up to that promise. I wore it throughout the day and didn't experience any fading or smudging, which is always a relief for anyone with oily skin like mine. As for the pros, I love how this pencil combines precision and ease of use. The dual-ended design is super practical. You've got your product and your tool all in one, so it's great for travel or quick touch-ups. Plus, it's vegan, cruelty-free, and made with skin-loving ingredients. All big wins in my book. On the flip side, the cons. If you have very sparse or thin brows, you might find that this pencil doesn't provide as much coverage as a pomade or gel would. While it does a great job of defining and shaping, if you need something with more hold or volume, you might want to layer it with a brow gel for added structure. Now let's talk value. For a 2-pack of brow pencils, it's hard to beat the price, especially for a product that checks so many boxes in terms of quality, ethics, and performance. Is it a luxury brow pencil? No. But it definitely gives you a solid, reliable product for a fraction of the price of higher-end alternatives. In terms of alternatives, if you're willing to invest a bit more, there are some high-end brow pencils out there with a bit more of a creamy texture or added features like setting gels in the same pencil. However, if you're looking for something that works perfectly for everyday wear without breaking the bank, this e.l.f. pencil is hard to beat. And for those of you wondering about the longevity and build quality, this pencil's packaging is sturdy and the formula holds up through the day without losing its integrity. It's travel-friendly, with the dual-ended design being both practical and efficient. No complaints here. I didn't interact with e.l.f.'s customer service for this product, but based on their reputation, they're generally responsive and take pride in their products. e.l.f. has been known for great customer service, especially in terms of handling issues or returns with ease. So who would this brow pencil be perfect for? Well, if you want a natural, defined look and need something that's affordable but effective, this pencil is for you. It's great for beginners who want to master their brow game without spending too much. However, if you're after something a bit more heavy-duty for thicker brows or extra hold, you may want to explore other options. Before I wrap up, I've got a quick request. If you're enjoying this review and it's been helpful for you, please give us a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. It really helps out so we can keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews like this. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you've tried the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your experiences. And of course, don't forget to check the description box for the link to purchase. Until next time, beauty lovers, stay beautiful inside and out.